Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable allow tips on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on profile. Next, tap on edit profile. Then scroll until you find tips. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of allow tips. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can allow tips on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.